channel. Today we are gonna learn about how questions like how else, however, how much, how many, etc. So let's start. Before I start, please like and subscribe. The first one is how. How? Let's make a sentence with how. Like, how did you solve this problem? How did you solve this problem? The second one is how else? How else? Let's make a sentence with how else. Like, how else can we get there besides by car? How else can we get there besides by car? Let's go to the next one now. The third one is however. However. Let's make a sentence with however, like I was tired. However, I finished the work. I was tired. However, I finished the work. The fourth one is how much. How much? Let's make a sentence with how much, like how much water do you need? How much water do you need? Let's go to another one. The fifth one is how many? How many? Let's make a sentence with how many, like how many books do you have? How many books do you have? How many books do you have? The sixth one is how many times? How many times? Let's make a sentence with how many times, like how many times have you visited Bogora? How many times have you visited Bogora? The next one is how often? How often? Let's make a sentence with how often, like how often do you exercise? How often do you exercise? The next one is how far? How far? Now, let's make a sentence with how far, like how far is your office from home? How far is your office from home? The next one is how long? How long? Let's make a sentence with how long, like how long does it take to cook rice? How long does it take to cook rice? The next one is for how long? For how long? Let's make a sentence with for how long, like for how long did you stay in Bogora? For how long did you stay in Bogora? Now, how fast? How fast? Let's make a sentence with how fast, like how fast can you complete this task? How fast can you complete this task? The next one is how dare? How dare? Let's make a sentence with how dare, like how dare you talk to me like that? How dare you talk to me like that? The another one is how much longer? How much longer? Let's make a sentence with how much longer? Like, how much longer do we have to wait? How much longer do we have to wait? The another one is how quickly? How quickly? Let's make a sentence with how quickly, like how quickly can you learn a new skill? How quickly can you learn a new skill? The next one is how fair? How fair? Let's make a sentence with how fair, like how much is the fair tubograph? How much is the fair tubograph? The next one is how soon? How soon? Let's make a sentence with how soon, like how soon can you come over? How soon can you come over? The next one is how old? How old? Let's make a sentence with how old, like how old is your grandmother? How old is your grandmother? The another one is how big? How big? Let's make a sentence with how big, like how big is the new shopping mall? How big is the new shopping mall? The next one is how deep? How deep? Let's make a sentence with how deep, like how deep is this lake? How deep is this lake? The another one is how come? How come? Let's make a sentence with how come, like how come you are so late today? How come you are so late today? The next one is how about? How about? Let's make a sentence with how about, like how about going out for dinner tonight? How about going out for dinner tonight? Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye friends! See you in the next video.